all the measurements for the kurti in a paper and we'll write the calculation also before starting to draw the pattern drafting on the paper. How to take the body measurement for the kurti, that you see basic A38 my video number, and earlier video I have shown to take the measurement with the ready kurta, that also measurement also you can take, and you have to calculate the measurement before drafting on the paper. So here full length you have to add 1 inch for the bottom fold. Waist length will be the neck from neck point to middle waist, that may be blouse length like 15 or 16. Shoulder width you have to divide by 2. Chest around, waist around and hip around divide by 4 and write down how much you are getting. And sleeve length you have to add half inch for the bottom fold. Sleeve bottom around and elbow around and wrist around, all three you have to divide by 2 and write down the calculation. Practice the drafting part on a paper so that the measurement and everything should be correct. For that, on the paper you measure the maximum width, how much you need. That will be the 0 to 2. I'll show everything now from the book and in the figure also. Fold the paper as per the width, and that is maximum width is flat, bottom flat. So half of that first we are going to draw the back part. So fold the paper as per the width. Here it is, and this is the fold part. Right, this is the fold. So write down here 0, and 0 to 1 will be the length, total length. We are going to add 1 inch more, and 0 to 2 and 1 to 3 will be the total width. Now in this rectangle paper we have to draw the shape of the kurta. Showing the written instructions to draft a kurta. So this is my book, Rapidex Home Tailoring course. You can buy online, and in this book, from this book only I am showing the written instructions for the kurta. You can pause and see or note it down, or you can buy the book. So this is the front part. This is the drafting instructions, you can follow. Yeah, this is the drafting, where and how much to take and mark and how to join the points. All the instructions are given. Already we have marked length and width of the kurta, 0, 1, 2, 3. Now 0 to 4 is 1/4 of the bust minus 1.5 inch. If suppose bust is 30 and you are getting your 1/4 of the bust is 7.5, then minus 1.5, that when you will get 6. So 0 to 4 is for armhole length. 0 to 5 is half of the shoulder plus 1/4 inch you add, and mark 0 to 5. Measure 5 to 6 3/4 inch for the shoulder dip. 0 to 7 is the neck width, that is bust or chest divided by 12, how much you are getting, mark 0 to 6, 7. If it is too wide for you, you can reduce half inch, or if it is too tight or close to neck, then you can add half inch. So mark 0 to 7. Now join 6 and 7 with the scale. 0 to 8 is back neck length, how much you want, accordingly you can mark the point, and draw a rectangle by joining 7 to 8 this way. If you know how to draw the neck shape with the French curve, or else you can see my video, that is basic A19, how to draw different type of neck shapes with the French curve. Then you can learn how to draw. If you don't have French curve, then you can join this way, that this is the point 20, 21 is the center point of 8 and 20, and now 20 to 22, this is the cross, this is half inch. Now draw your shape by joining 8, 21, 22 and 7. 4 to 9 is the chest line, that is 1/4 of the chest plus 1 inch for ease, loose, or and 1 inch for seam. If you are getting 4 to 9, 1/4 of the bust as a 7.5, then add 1 inch for ease 8.5 and 1 inch for seam, that will be 9.5. 0 to 10 is the waist length. I told you that from the neck point to waist, that will be the 0 to 10 waist length. 11 will be the 1/4 of the waist plus half inch only for ease and 1 inch for seam, because here we need a little shape and fit also. This line, if there is a dart, you want to stitch a dart, then you have to add 1 inch more for the dart. 10 to 12 is the hip line, that is 7 inch commonly for everyone. You can take it 6 also if you want this slit to keep little up. 12 to 13 is the maximum width, which we have taken already upside 0 to 2 and 1 to 3. Videos I have shown the fitting problems of the kurta. In that video I told this is the suppose hip line, then there this flare, if you want to increase little, then you can go from 3 to A, that will be up to 3 inch you can take, and then later on give a shape. A to B will be the 1.5 inch, and take the center point. A to 1 will be the center point, and from the center point draw with the French curve or with the scale. This shape, smooth shape should be there, and the way you are increasing your this from 13 you join A up to A, and this extension part will cover whatever the problem with the your hip line. If it is for the heavy hip person, you can increase the flare. Stitch a dart for the fitted kurta, this plain kurta. Then you need one measurement 1 to 14, that is 1/4 of the bust plus 1 inch. 14 to 15, 10 to 17 and 12 to 16, these 3 points will be 3/4 inch, because the distance between the two busts will be 7.5 for commonly for everyone, and half of that is 3/4 inch. So mark this point and draw straight line on 15, 17 and 16. From 17 mark 18 half inch, and same 17 to 19 is will be the half inch. Now draw your dart on 15, 18 and 16, 15, 19 and 17. Paper, first I'll draw back part of the kurta, then later on front part. 9, 11, 12, 13 with the scale, straight scale. If it is pointed, draw smooth shape this way. Armhole shape, you can see the video Basic A16, how to draw the armhole shape with the French curve. Here how much you have taken 0 to 5, same you take 4 to 22 and draw a straight line by joining 5 and 22. The middle point of 5 to 22. Now place your French curve on by joining 23 and 9. If you don't have the French curve, then take 22 to 24 1 inch and then join the point 23, 24, 9 for the back armhole shape. Cutting point, paper cutting point for the back part of kurta will be 1, 3 for the straight flare. If it is flare is extended, then you have to cut in 1 from the center point, go up to B, 13 on 11 cut with the smooth shape 9, back armhole shape 24, 23, 6, 7 and back neckline. Drafting pattern for the front part. Back and front parts, all the measurements are same and the points are also same. Whatever the difference that I am telling you. Here first point is 0 to 8 is the front neck length. Front neck length for you can take up to 6 inch, 6.5 inch or 7 inch up to, and mark the point and draw your neck shape with the French curve. Armhole shape. From this center point 5 to 25, the center point is 26. 26 to 27 you can take half inch. If some armhole problem, then you can take 3/4 inch also. And place your French curve by joining 6, 27 and on this 9. Without French curve, if you are supposed to draw, then mark 25 to 28, that is half inch, and draw by joining with the scale, straight scale, and later on you can draw the smooth shape on 6, 27, 28 and 9. Front part dart, if it is there, then you have to mark 15 to 21 inch down, and your dart shape joining will be on 20, 18, 16 and 20, 19, 16. The front part will be the same 1, 3, 13, 11 with smooth shape 9, front armhole shape on 27, 6, 7 and front neck shape 8. This is the pattern drafting instructions for the short sleeve. You can pause and see and draw accordingly. Here for the sleeve 0 to 1 is the length for the short sleeve, and 0 to 2 will be the width, 1/4 of the chest plus half inch, and same will be the 1 to 3. Take some point to draw the armhole shape. 4 will be the center point of 0 to 2. 5 will be the center point of 0 to 4. Mark 4 to 6 half inch, 6 to 7 1 inch, 5 to 8 1/4 inch. 9 will be the center point of 2 to 3 because the length of the sleeve is short, that up to 6 inch. The point 10, 9, and for the back armhole shape join the point 9, 6, 8 and 0 with the straight scale. Later on the pointed area you can draw the smooth shape. That will be on 6 or 8. Open this fold and you will see only one side, this front armhole shape marking that you cut on 9, 7 and 8. Only one side for the front armhole shape. In open position of the paper only you cut the sleeve on 1, 10, 9, 6, 8, 0 with the back armhole shape, and for the front armhole shape cut only one side, that is 1, 10, 9, 7, 8. For the 3/4 length sleeve or full length sleeve, then easily you can draw. Only the measurement you need elbow and wrist. Here the armhole shape for all the sleeve will be the same. Only the other part, down part shape will be the different. Drafting for the 3/4 length sleeve, maybe only the numbers may be different, but the shape and everything measurement are the same. 0 to 1 will be the length of the sleeve, that is maybe up to 16, 17 inches, and in this you have to add 1 inch extra for the bottom fold. 0 to 2 and 1 to 3 will be the same width which we have taken for the short sleeve, that is 1/4 of the bust plus half inch, and the armhole shapes will be the same only as we have done in the short sleeve. 3/4 length sleeve, only the armhole point, this 9 will be 2 to 9 will be same as 2 to 4, And now join 0 to 10 is also same. Now join 9 and 10 with the straight line. 11 is the center point of 10 to 1. 11 to 12 as the half of the elbow round measurement plus half inch for ease 1. 11 will be the center point of 10 to 1. This is the for elbow measurement. So measure 11 to 12 as the half of the elbow measurement plus 1 inch for ease and half inch for seam. 13 will be half of the 11 to 12. Suppose 11 to 12 is 7 inches, then measure 1 to 13 is 6 inches, and then join 13, 12 and 9 with the shape. If you are getting here pointed on 12, then make it smooth. Also you can cut as per the shape. Here is 1, 13, 12, 9, 7, 6, 0 with back armhole shape. Later on open the fold and cut front armhole shape on 9, 8 and 6. Instruction to draw full length sleeve drafting. You can pause and see, or you can note it down and follow the same to draw the full length sleeve. Length sleeve, only difference is 0 to 1 is the length, 2 to 3 is the length, and 11 and 12 point all will be the same. 11 will be the center point of 10 to 1, and 11 to 12 will be the elbow measurement, and 1 to 13 is half of the wrist plus half inch for ease and half inch for seam, and the joint point 13, 12 and 9, and cut full length sleeve on 1, 13, 12, 9, 6, 8, 0. Open the fold and cut front armhole shape on 9, 7 and 8. The kurta drafting, I have shown some videos numbers which already I uploaded, that you can see, and that may help to stitch a kurta with the different type of neck shape and sleeves. So the follow the videos as per the number, and you can see whatever the design or different type of necklines or sleeves you want to do, go it for. And 3/4 length and full length sleeve also, how to sleeve cutting and joining, different type of sleeves, bottom finishes, everything is given. With the folding of the fabric for the kurta and placing your paper pattern on the fabric, folded fabric, and cutting, and if stitching how to start. So for sure subscribe for the next video.